Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Effie, and today I am back again with another new remote opportunity for you, and this job lead is brought to you by Indeed. And CROSSMAN Associates need an office administrator, and this job is 100% remote. So please, if before I just continue, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new remote opportunities, you'll be the first person to apply and grab those opportunities. So and also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me, and I really appreciate. So let me just take you through the job details. The salary that this company will be able to pay you, or rather they're offering to pay you, is around 10 euro to 14 euros per hour, and it's part-time permanent remote opportunity, and they need one person for this role. So let me just read the company description in a few, and it says CROSSMAN Associates is an ecological consultancy. We specialize in providing expert advice on the environment, habitats, and protected species. Our clients are architects, developers, and public organizations. Let me just jump right into the responsibilities that will be assigned to you, and the duties that will be assigned are arranging surveys and meetings, managing correspondence by answering emails and sorting mail, handling expenses and billing cycles. Guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. I just put the link in the description section towards this job so that you can go through the responsibilities that will be assigned to you and see if this job suits you. So if this job sounds interesting to you, go ahead and apply right away after watching this video. So guys, apply, and all the best to those who are going to take this opportunity. Good luck.